No!
Dana! Wait!
What?
My eagle!
I'm the cause of all this. I ran out on you on our wedding day. And ever since then, you've been tormented inside.
Right now, this is when you choose to do this?
So take me, not these islands.
You? This is about you, Ethan?
Ethan?
Oh, that is so hilarious / embarrassing / I hadn't thought about your fat butt in 20 years.